Hi, my name's Maxine Enderby from Leggett Immobilier, and I have the delightful opportunity to introduce you to this lovely property today. The property is situated in a small village, just a few kilometres from Matta, which is a little market town in the Charente-Maritime. The property comprises a house, main house, with an annex, so the opportunity, if you so wished, to invite friends and family or to maybe let out during the lovely summer months. The main property comprises of 3 bedrooms, 1 on the ground floor, plenty of bathrooms, good living space. The annex, there are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a large open plan kitchen, and all you could need for a lovely stay in the Charente-Maritime. If you'd like further information about this property, please don't hesitate to click on the link below, and Julie Hill will be in touch with you to give you more information and potentially arrange a visit for you. Thank you very much.